Lots of electrical gremlins and restoration done this week. Stuart and I were starting in on the electrical system. It was taking us a little while because I don't know if you can see that moving, but neither of us are real sharp. Stuart's actually better than I am on electrical, but had Telford come over and hook a brother up. We were having problems with the hazard switch not working because I had a weird one. And I also had a switch that I bought from Poland that is actually a intermittent wiper switch, and had fun hooking that up since there's no real actual hookup switch for this to blend an American wiring system into a slightly European one. So Telford came over and was able to handle that with ease. So everything's working, headlights are working, dip switch, hazards, intermittent wiper, which you pull back on a regular stock, so that's off. You pull it back and it engages the intermittent portion. If you pull it in the off position again, if you pull it straight up, it engages the intermittent wiper and it goes through 2 full cycles. But by pulling this up, we'll also turn on a electric pump that I've yet to put in over there by the reservoir. Instead of doing I could do it stock and pump it up with air, but I'm not going to do that. Last thing that has been done is the carburetors were rebuilt and are brand spanking new looking. And it has a, it has a balance tube between it, but I need to have the tube go up to the left carb, which I'd cut off when I put these on here because I thought I could balance them a little differently. I got a new tube that I have yet to put on there. So once I put it on there, then we'll start it up for reals, but the motor is still looking pretty sweet, and all I gotta do is put that last little bit on, run a line back to the Eberspacher gas heater switch, from the switch back to the Eberspacher, and that'll fire up as well. But all the plumbing's done for the gas. Just need to add gas, add that vacuum line, and things will be pretty much done in that department. It should be able to start. We already got it started and running. Turns over, just needs gas and that vacuum line. It should be able to go. So big doings, really close. Stay tuned.